So I'm Saunders Calvert. I run our sustainable investing and fund ratings business at Refinitiv. Refinitiv actually has a very long history. Refinitiv is a relatively new name for the financial and risk division of Thomson Reuters. Of course, Thomson Reuters has a 150-year history in providing data analytics to allow for market liquidity and allow for allocation of capital to move freely in the markets. So that's what we do, and indeed around our ESG data we do exactly the same thing. We've collected a big database of ESG company metrics over the last 15 years, and indeed we see that as fundamental data that allows asset managers and asset owners to figure out how they want to allocate capital appropriately towards good companies and away from bad companies. Refinitiv has a few very important 2020 sustainability goals. It includes being carbon neutral by 2020 and indeed basing all of the power that we use off of renewable sources, and that's the journey that we're on, and we're very confident we're going to get there. But equally importantly, central to what Refinitiv does is of course the provision of market data and the provision of making sure that sustainable investing, sustainable finance, ESG data is central and core to the products that we deliver to our customers to allow for a much wider community benefit associated with sustainability rather than just what we do as a company. And that's certainly the journey that we're on. There are a number of challenges with regards to integrating ESG data into day-to-day business decision making. And includes, if nothing else, the lack of information associated to ESG data, the lack of company disclosure associated to those issues, and indeed, central to Refinitiv's value proposition is making sure that data is as robust, as accurate, as auditable as possible. And indeed, the way that we capture that data and the way we score companies around that data ensures that the scoring system penalises for non-disclosure. So we really kind of create both a carrot and a stick in terms of making sure that companies really contribute to the information availability to allow investors to make good decision makings around where they put their capital. I'm here at the Sustainable Investment Forum because, well, quite frankly, our customer base is here. They are on a journey in terms of thinking about how they really think about ESG data as being central to what they do and how they can make better decisions around how they allocate capital and how they help the raising of capital towards the right places, particularly associated with climate, of course. And indeed, I think in terms of the outcome that we really want to see ESG go mainstream. We want to see it go fundamental and not alternative, and that's the journey that we're trying to help with.